Unlocking the magic of perspective drawing. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that combines art and geometry: perspective drawing. This concept is not just about drawing. It's about how we see the world around us. So, grab your pencils and let's embark on this visual journey together. We hope you'll find it enlightening. Perspective drawing is a technique used to represent three-dimensional objects on a two-dimensional surface, like paper, in a way that looks realistic and accurate. It's all about creating a sense of depth and distance in a drawing. When artists use perspective, they mimic how our eyes perceive the world, making objects appear smaller as they get further away from us. There are a few key elements in perspective drawing that we need to understand. Horizon line. This is a horizontal line that represents the viewer's eye level. Vanishing points. Points on the horizon line where parallel lines seem to converge and disappear. Converging lines. These are lines that move toward the vanishing point, showing how parallel lines in reality appear to come together in the distance. Perspective drawing can be broken down into several types, each offering a different way to depict space and depth. One-point perspective uses a single vanishing point on the horizon line. It's the simplest form of perspective drawing, often used for objects facing the viewer directly. Two-point perspective employs two vanishing points on the horizon line. This method is great for drawing corners or objects at an angle to the viewer. Three-point perspective adds a third vanishing point, usually above or below the horizon line, to create dramatic effects of height and depth, often seen in skyscraper or bird's eye view drawings. To apply perspective in your drawings, start with a horizon line and decide on your vanishing points. Then, use these points to draw your objects, keeping in mind that lines parallel in the real world will converge toward the vanishing points. Practice by drawing simple shapes like boxes or buildings, and gradually move to more complex scenes. Perspective drawing is a powerful tool that adds realism to your artwork and helps viewers feel more connected to the scene. It might seem tricky at first, but with practice, anyone can master it. We hope this video has shed some light on the magic of perspective drawing and inspired you to try it out. Keep practicing, stay curious, and as always, happy learning!